Do you want to know how you can watch videos and earn free crypto with MContent and if it's really worth it? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I love testing different ways to make money online, and I came across this website and app that actually gives you some seemingly quite good options to earn by just watching videos, and there's a lot and some very interesting videos. So I decided to test it, and in this MContent review I'll give you a full guided tour and show you both the pros and the cons so you can find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over who can join MContent, and I haven't been able to see a list of the exact countries, but from what I can see it is available in a lot of different countries. I can't say for sure if there might be a few countries it's not available in that might actually be possible, because it is a platform where you can earn crypto, and in some countries that's not allowed. So maybe there are some countries it's not. I can't say for sure, but you can only find out by actually going to the website or finding the app and seeing if you can start from your country. But you can earn both through the website and the app. So whether you want to earn by watching videos on your computer or your phone, you can do that. And you can do basically everything on the website also. So I'll show how to earn there. But if you want to take out your earnings, you do need the app. So I will also give you an inside look and talk more about that inside the app. But let me first log in, and then you can see how you can earn by watching videos here. So I'm now inside Myco.io, as it's all called, or MContent. And you see very clear it says watch it, earn it, own it. So you can earn by watching videos, and there's a lot of videos. You go to the home section, that is where you can see the exact different videos you can watch, and some of them are quite interesting. It's like creators that are uploading content here also to get exposure. So there's even some movies and some other things. You see there's some podcasts. There's a lot of content you can watch here to earn, and you basically just need to choose one. You can also see all if you want to watch some of these featured, for example, or newly released. There's many different categories. If you scroll down, there's even more. You see podcasts or different things that just keeps being different content or content from influencers. You can also see all these little different clips or sports clips. So let's say you like sports and you want to see something like that. An ad comes up, ad comes up once in a while. It's not too much. That's a part of how they make money. You see sometimes it covers here. I just need to close it. And then sometimes it might not show up because not all videos are available in all countries. And there's not really a way to see that unless you actually try to open the video. So I'll just find one instead that is available where I live. Usually there's not a lot that's not, but I was just unlucky now while recording that I came to one that didn't work. So I'll just be back once I just clicked on another video. So I now clicked on a category, and you can see there are all these different ones I can see, and I can see the length of them, and you kind of get paid depending on the length of the video. I'll show exactly how much you can earn there. But if I wanted to watch this one, this is 1 minute and 46 seconds. So all I just need to do is to click it, and then I have to watch the whole thing to get the full earnings. You can see right now I have 12,000 there. So now I will just here click to play it. And I'll just turn off the sound there, and then I just need to watch it, and I'll just be right back once I have finished watching this video. And you can see the video now finished, and you can see before I had 12,000 there rewards. We'll talk about what they're worth later there. And now I have 13,000. You can then like the video, dislike it, you can share it, you can save it, and then you can just watch the next one. And the thing is, while you're watching, you actually don't have to be here. I can move to another tab or something like that and do something else at the same time, and it will just run in the background. I can even turn off the sound if I want to, and I will still earn by having it running. But let's then go over how much you can earn, and then we'll go into how to take out the earnings and the value of your points and all that. So you can see I just jumped to the how to earn, and my earnings now was updated to 16,000 because it just took a bit of time to count the full amount that I earned, because you can see how much you earn depends on the length of the video. Like this one, it was below 5 minutes. So whether you then watch a video that's 1 minute or 5 minutes there, you will get 4,000 points there. So now I have 16,000, and you see Even you can find some if they're more like 2 hours, you'll get 16,000. But if you want to optimize, maybe it makes more sense to take a few more shorter ones and things like that. And then you will learn a little bit faster. But it all depends. That depends whether you're actually here to watch some interesting content, because there is, or if you are here just to earn. You can also earn, as you see, if you upload content, because that's how they get new content. So here you see how much you get for uploading a video there, and again, that depends on the length of the video, so you can earn a bit by doing that also. So it definitely has a lot of videos to watch compared to many other video earning sites for sure, and also different types of videos, and it's easy to earn because you can just let it run. But we of course need to talk about what are you actually earning, what is it worth, because you are earning these MContent token there, which is a cryptocurrency. So let's just talk about the value of that, and then we'll talk more about how you can get your earnings out. So the MContent actually has its own crypto, and that is what you will be earning. And you can see the value of it here at the time of recording this video. It is a cryptocurrency, so it can both go up and down. I cannot guarantee that. So what you need to consider is, of course, you can get this out, but I would say this is also mainly interesting if you believe in the project long term, because then what you can earn now maybe can become worth more. And if you believe in that, you can read more about MContent and the whole project, then maybe it would be worth the time. But as you can see right now, one MContent token there is worth like 0.00000000009 or something like that dollars. So not worth a lot. So that means like the 16,000 that I have there, that's worth like 0.000 something, like not a lot for sure, right? So you still need to watch a lot of videos to earn. But how can you then get your earnings out? And as mentioned, you need the app for that. So I'll just log into the app, and then we'll talk a little bit more about that. So I'm now logged into the app, and as you can see, it works the same way. I can just watch content here on my phone also if I want, the exact same way. But then up here you can see there's a menu, and that is the one I need to click, and you see that's an option that I didn't have on the website. So I can go to my wallet here, and you can see then there is an option. I have this MContent rewards there that I can then swap into MContent there, and I can also by using the swap there, or I can send it, or I can receive. So I can send it to a crypto wallet that has on an external platform MContent wallet. There's not a lot of the big exchanges that has that opportunity at the time of recording this video anyways. The goal is probably to also be listed on some of the bigger exchanges, but you can still take it out if you want to. But one thing you need to be aware of is that they are transferring, you see, via the Binance Smart Chain there, but there are gas fees when you, for example, want to swap. So you need to have gas fees here to be able to swap or to be able to send, because they charge those fees from your account here. So before you can take your earnings out and before you can swap it, then you need to first receive some Binance Smart Chain tokens here. So you need to send that from, for example, MetaMask or somewhere else here. So you need to click receive and then send it here, so you have enough to pay for the gas fee. The gas fees is in most cases very low, like a few cents or something like that, but it's something to be aware of, that if you come here and you want to take your earnings out, you need to first transfer some crypto inside here to pay for the gas fees, and then from there you can send it out if you want to, or you can swap it also. So that's just a little extra thing that you need to be aware of. So as you can see, MContent has a lot of content you can watch, and you can earn free crypto at the same time, and it definitely has some interesting videos, but it does take patience to earn. I can of course not guarantee if the MContent token will not become worth a lot more in the future. No, who knows? Personally, I don't know. No, I'm not planning to use it too much, because right now, as of recording this video anyways, the value for my time there is just not really high enough. But in general, if you want to earn by watching videos, it's not something that will earn you a lot. That's just something you need to be aware of, and I will leave a link below also to a list I have on my website of the best sites where you can also earn cash by watching videos. But I do like that MContent actually has so many different videos and some really interesting content compared to many other sites where you can earn by watching videos. But it's not an effective way to earn. Again, who knows if it will become in the future, if the price increases of the MContent token or the crypto there. We'll have to wait and see. But if you have an opinion about the project and the future of, feel free to share in the comments below. That would be great to hear. And also, I will leave a link below to a list I have of the top get paid to sites that are quite effective ways to earn a little bit of extra money on the side right away, if that is what you're looking for also. So you can check that out below. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you. And if it did, then make sure to hit the like button. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.